Today, we're breaking down the 8 core principles for building AI that we can actually trust. You know, as AI becomes a bigger part of our lives, this question is absolutely critical.
So think of these 8 principles as the blueprint for building responsible and trustworthy AI.
All right, let's start with the foundation. These are 3 non-negotiables for any responsible AI. First up, AI has to follow the law. It's got to operate within all local and international rules. So that means an AI only uses your data if you say it's okay, following privacy laws.
Second, AI must be fair and inclusive. It needs to avoid discrimination and promote equal access.
This way, everyone, even freelancers, can get a fair shot at things like loans.
And third, it's got to be tough and secure. It has to work reliably, protected from attacks.
Like a self-driving car with a backup system that kicks in if the main one fails. Simple. Okay, so with that foundation, let's build the framework for creating real trust with users. Transparency is huge. You should be able to understand how an AI operates and makes its decisions. Like when a shopping site tells you why it's recommending something. That's transparency in action.
Then there's accountability. It has to be crystal clear who is responsible for an AI's outcomes.
Think of a credit scoring tool that logs its decisions so a human can review them later. Yep, 100% clarity. We need to know who's on the hook for the AI's results, good or bad. And finally, explainability. Can the AI describe how and why it made a decision in simple terms? Super important for medical AI, which should show a doctor exactly why it made its suggestion. So, what's the whole point of this? Well, it boils down to these 2 final principles. First, it has to be human-centric. AI should be a tool that helps people, not replaces them. Like an educational AI that supports a teacher's role, adapting to what a student really needs. And last but not least, it has to be environmentally sustainable. We have to think about its impact. For example, using AI to get rid of clunky code, which actually saves a ton of energy.
And there you have it, our blueprint. All 8 principles working together to build trust in AI.
So the blueprint exists. The real question is, who's going to be the architect?